In this tutorial, we will look into the API Gateway service from AWS. API Gateway provides a mechanism to build your API infrastructure. This will help you in basically managing your APIs and connecting them to their backend points. So let's see that how we can build a simple API. We will create a simple Hello World API, and as part of that, we will see the different elements that are required to build APIs in API Gateway. So for that, you go to your AWS console and you click on API Gateway. If you are doing it first time, it will come to this page. You can just click on Get Started. It provides a example API, a pet store, and then just import it. And you will see the API, the pet store being built here. However, what we'll do is that we'll create another API, and we will see the different elements that are needed to build API. So for that, go here. Let's first select this one, and then yes, now you can see the Create API button. So create an API. This is new API. Let's say that we are creating a message API. Okay, you can provide a description. Click on Create API. So now you see here the message API is there, and then you can start building the different endpoints. So first thing is to create a resource. Let's say it is a message, and let's create the resource. So now the resource is created here. Now we have to attach the actual endpoints. So for that we say create method, and here you can see a drop down, and these are different HTTP verbs. So we say let's do a get on the message resource. So it's an API now, and when we click on that, we can attach an authorization key. Right now, let's just directly go to the method, and here it will give you an option to connect to the different kind of endpoints. So you can connect this to a Lambda function, you can connect it to a different HTTP endpoint, you can do a mock integration, or you can even connect to a AWS service. Let's do mock integration for this particular tutorial. Save it. Still saving. Yeah. And I'm expecting things to appear here. Okay, not yet. Okay, let me just, yeah. So you see now this is how the API endpoints function. You have your API definition here, which is a get on the message, and then it will do a method request. Then there is integration request, where you can actually do some more work to make it amenable to your backend infrastructure. Then your actual endpoint is called. Then again, when the response comes back, you can do something to convert that response, things like that. And then you have the method response, and then the response is returned back to the client. So what we'll do is that we will change the integration response such a way that it returns us a hello world. So I'll go and click here. So right now the status is a default mapping is yes. Let's open this one. Sometimes it's just too tricky. Yeah. And then you can do some header mappings also here, but what we will do is we will do a body mapping. And here it says that the content type it will return is application JSON. And here, if you can, we can just return let's return a message right now here, but you can do a couple of other things. You can do a method request pass through also. So let's just return a JSON, which is like message hello world. Okay, and let's save it. Okay, and let's go to solution, and then let's click on test. So you see here, the response header contained an application JSON and it returned back the message hello world. So this is a first cut on the how to build a simple API using the API gateway.